landed. Actually quite surprised with the airport in Lombok. I was here in 2010 and the airport is like quite a mess, but now it's really super pretty. It's super nice. So now I'm going to find my driver, Mr. Mujiono. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this time I'm visiting Lombok. Lombok is an island in West Nusa Tenggara Province, Indonesia. It forms part of the chain of the Lesser Sunda Island, with the Lombok Strait separating it from Bali to the west and the Allah Strait between it and Sumbawa to the east. It is roughly circular with a tail, which is Sekorang Peninsula, to the southwest. About 70 kilometers across and a total area about 4,514 square kilometers. The provincial capital and the largest city in the island is Mataram. And I'm taking this introduction from Wikipedia. Do I sound like Morgan Freeman already? I remember I visited Lombok in 2010, and that time the airport is still very small and messy, even looked like a bus station rather than an airport. When I landed here on my recent trip, I was impressed with the airport. It was huge, clean, tidy, well appointed as international airport. I am impressed and of course so proud to see that. International flights now making Lombok as their hub, which is Silk Air and Air Asia. Now, more reason for the tourists to visit Lombok. I rented a car with the driver throughout my stay. The driver is Mr. Mujiono. Here he is, a Sasak tribe gentleman with 2 kids, dedicated driver and proud of his island. The journey from the airport to Senggigi, area where I stay, took around 45 and 1 hour.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. Or I could be someone else.
It's Ramadan month, so the roads are not busy.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
The infrastructure is so good, and I must admit, the road is way better than Bali. Wide road with beautiful scenery along the way. I'm passing through rice field, vegetable plantations, small forest. The sky is blue and the clouds hanging wide and clean like a cotton candy.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
This is how it looked like if you are driving from the airport to Senggigi.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. Or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
I use my DJI Osmo Pocket to record all my videos for this trip, including this video, driving from the airport to Senggigi. The result is amazing, as you can see.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when
making a few series of videos of my experience in Lombok. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more of my traveling and my amazing experiences throughout Lombok. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy the video and see you next time. Bye bye.
I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can